everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm Vani and I'm back after a month, and I think it's the first time that I have not purposely but had to take the break. So I'm in my kitchen but I'm not cooking anything for the video. I'm actually vlogging today. So technically we'll be going to my mom's place and then we are heading to 2-3 places which will be very interesting. So I think this is my first day after I have been better that I'll be going and having fun. So I'll be vlogging, taking you guys along. Then we'll go to Ambience Mall. I have to get my nails done. It's been really long. Then I think I'll get my eyebrows done. What else? Then little bit of shopping here and there. 2-3 things that are lined up. Then we are planning to go to Banjara Market, which is so famous in Gurgaon, and I'm really excited about that because that will be my first visit. Let me just place you guys somewhere here and let me just explain you what really happened little bit. If you don't like it, you can skip. Basically what happened was I got influenza flu. That's some kind of virus which was going around, and then it got into me. So I was down with fever for a good 2.5 weeks. Imagine that. So internally I have a lot of weakness and I get tired really soon. So that was the reason that we weren't going out, but now I'm getting better eventually. And I was feeling so guilty that I was not able to upload videos because I remember I've got fracture and I did upload videos. I was down with normal fever and I did upload videos, and this was so difficult because I could not even talk. It was so bad. Now that I'm back, I am happy that I'm making videos and I'll be uploading. So the plan is it is 10 in the morning and we'll be leaving like in 10-15 minutes. We'll just have our breakfast. For breakfast we are having watermelon. So I'm just going to cut that quickly and then we'll go and I'll take you along. So it'll be a fun day, I suppose. Okay, let's begin. So guys, we have left and we'll be going to mom's place, pick her up, then go to Galleria, buy some things from stationery shop. I cannot eat anything which has the chutney or anything khatta, but now I can, I think. Chalo, theek hai. Okay, I'll see you later then. Okay, bye. Guys, I will see you once I'm having momos, or maybe a little before that. Once I'm buying my scrapbook. Oh, I'll tell you why am I buying my scrapbook. I'm buying my scrapbook because I'm planning to make a whole file of the places where I've traveled. So for example, I will buy a big scrapbook. I will be pasting all the photographs. I will be writing my memories or interesting stories related to the places. So whatever countries I've traveled, I will make a file of that. So I think it'll be really interesting. And the places that I really want to travel. Hey, Mama. Chalo. I'll see you there then. Okay, bye. क्या ले रहा है तू? कोल्ड कॉफी? मेरे को मोमोज. ओके.
ये वनीला फ्लेवर कितने का?
कौन सी चाहिए तनवीर? ये वाली? ऊपर वो मसाला नींबू मम्मी बहुत स्वाद होता है.
मसाला नींबू क्या है?
वापस मोमोज का टाइम लेंगे, अभी अंदर तो ले जा नहीं पाएंगे ना. चल चले प्लीज बनवा दो, ठीक है? हम आ रहे हैं. This person just wants to have मीठा all the time. तो क्या तो खाओ, मोटे हो जाओ.
मम्मा लोगे? वाइट मार्बल.
Now the lady also wants to eat. ये देखो ना, ये देखो ऐसे वाइट हो रही है. ये ले लो फिर. हाँ ठीक है ना. देखो वो भी लेना है स्टिकर्स थोड़ा सा.
बानी की शक्ल बनाया ना.
नहीं, ट्रैवल रिलेटेड. एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू ट्रैवल. फिर देखो इसमें ऐसे भरूंगी. ये मैं
ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक पूरा घर। हाँ हाँ 120
परफेक्ट है। नहीं आजा खाएं।
Cheers is what I can say. Cheers.
Noted? Good one.
वैसे भी वो जगह भी बन गई ना, मैंने सारा सामान भी रख दिया वहाँ।
कौन सी जगह?
Mouth watering, outstanding, magical, OMM. Oh my momos.
Guys, I'm here. Samir is playing game and I'm here to get my nails done because it has to be done. So mom has bought these, the sparrow clothes set, and I have bought the whale. Where is the whale, Tanveer?
वो अंदर ही रखा हुआ है।
So we've bought the whale and also we've bought these elephants. So we will do a little haul of the things we are buying right now.
Yes.
Especially from Chummak because he was really excited and he's bought 2-3 things. And I will also show you some of the things that my mom has bought.
वो लोग किचन का सामान ले रहे हैं, बहुत मजा आता है। Let me show you a glimpse of it.
from the Ambience Mall and now we are going to the Banjara Market. And look what Tanveer is having. He's having McDonald's. Paneer wrap. He's having paneer wrap.
McSpicy paneer wrap.
And we've had all the delicacies of Asia, especially Thai and Indonesia. All fancy, huh? Okay, so now we are going to the Banjara Market and we'll shop. I hope we shop. And why we are not shopping so much, इसका रीजन तुम्हें लोगों को पता चलेगा थोड़े टाइम बाद, मतलब कि 2-2.5 महीने में
चुप कर दे,
पता चलेगा कि हम शॉपिंग क्यों नहीं है। नहीं, लोग शॉपिंग नहीं कर रहे यार। सूरजकुंड मेला में गए तो 2 चीज ली, सीपीपी गए तो कुछ नहीं लिया, तो ऐसा क्या हो गया है? We'll see. So now I will see you guys in the Banjara Market. Okay, bye. Guys, we are in the Banjara Market and I will show you a little glimpse of it. If if you guys want to see a full-fledged vlog on Banjara Market, then I can do that also separately. Let's just be here for 30 minutes or 1 hour maybe, and then we'll go back home. So let's see what do they have.
भैया आप जो तीसरा लाओगे ना, वो जो तीसरा लाओगे वो मलाई वाला नहीं चाहिए, पानी वाला चाहिए ढेर।
Guys, I'm back home and I will be ending the vlog here. But before I end, I would like to show you some of the things that me and my mom, and especially Tanveer, okay, he chose it, we got from Chambak. So let me just show you those because they were so interesting and so attractive. So we have got 2 cushions. One is Raja and one is Rani. So we have got Raja and Rani. So I think, and they are very soft and they have very bright colors, and also the pearls are engraved. I mean, not the real pearls, but the beads. It is depicting the jewelry. So she's wearing a nose pin and the mala and everything.
And drinking tea.
She is? Oh yeah, and she's also drinking tea. So this is what Tanveer has noticed. Both of them. So Raja and Rani are sitting together and drinking tea. So even Raja is wearing all the jewelry and everything. So this is 3200 for both the cushions. Now let me show you the 2 containers that we have got. So these are the 2 containers. These are airtight containers, and one is green in color, which has a kettle made and beautiful quote written. It says it is always a good time for chai. So it is the perfect one for Tanveer. So we can keep chai, we can keep coffee, we can keep sugar in this. We can keep cookies. So that's how it is. This is for
$7.99 for one.
$5.95. This is $5.95 each. Yellow and green. Yellow is also like, it is always a good time for coffee. So this has coffee and this has chai. Now let me show you the cruet set that my mom has got. So this is the this is also my mom has got. These are 2 fat sparrows, very cute and very attractive but fat. So it's beautiful mint color. One is for salt and the other one is for pepper. Now let me show you the cruet set that Tanveer has chose. So it is a whale, a fat whale again. So both the people have chosen. It is fat,
not fat.
Both the people have chosen the products as per their size.
ये तो फैट नहीं है भाई, वो फैट मान सकते हैं.
So this is in
whale तो whale है.
Whale तो हुंदी वड्डी है जी.
Whale है हुंदी वड्डी.
Lack of knowledge.
So this is in light blue color, and I think it is so very pretty. It is also a cruet set. So this is for us. So the whale cruet set is for $5.95 and the sparrow was for
$4.95.
$4.95. The second last product from Chambak, all of this is from Chambak, are the beautiful elephants. So these are artificial plants that we have, and it is more or less like a showpiece, but they are so adorable, so cute. So they are baby elephants, and we can keep together like a pair. And you know, I love to see plants and greenery, but I cannot maintain it. So that's why we have to opt for the artificial ones. The last thing that I got from Chambak is a diary. I am so fond of diaries. So this is the one for recipes. I love to cook, I love to collect recipes. So this is eat, drink and collect recipes. This is for $6.95. and it is very beautiful. So we can write recipes. Also, there are little things made in the corner of the page, like we have the cruet set, we have a bowl, and then we have a kettle. Also, after few pages, like if you see green, purple and all of those pages, you can see the recipes. Like we have the recipe of chicken biryani, then we have tandoori chicken. All this can be replaced with vegetarian. Then we have gajar ka halwa. So these are the things that me and my mom and Tanveer have got. I would like to end the vlog here, and I am back. I'm so happy about it, and I want you guys also to be happy about it. And how can you guys show me the happiness that you're happy that I'm back? Just subscribe, just like, and comment down below. So I will see you next Friday regularly. Okay, bye.